Hi guys, how you guys are doing? It's been a while. Vincent Loo here, and you know what I'm gonna talk about? I'm gonna talk about Bitcoin price action yet again, and what I think about this month, November, and what will happen to Bitcoin's price in November. So watch until the end to finally understand what's gonna happen in November, what's my second, what's my opinion in Bitcoin. So let's get right into it. As you guys can already see, right now I have my Bitcoin price up, and Bitcoin have a beautiful, beautiful retracement. Just look at that, guys. Beautiful. And we flush out all the longs. Okay, we need to flush out all the longs. Okay, so what is flushing out all the longs? Right now I'm going to show you. So if you look at this chart right now, this is coin glass, and I have my liquidation price now. Okay, liquidation. And look at this crazy, crazy liquidation. Okay, look at this. 36 million. Right? We have 36 million, and I believe every time when Bitcoin does a lot of liquidation, okay, that's basically high chance of market bottom right here. So if you were to look at previous bottom, look at that, also around there, 30 million liquidations over here. Okay, multiple millions, right? 30 millions, 30 millions, so much liquidations. And look at this top right here. The top is in, which has a lot of liquidation, also around 30 million liquidations. And with this much liquidations, basically the smart money took liquidity. What I mean by that, okay, whenever every time liquidation happens, okay, the money change hand from the retail to the smart money. And why is that? Because retail money likes to use leverage. Okay, they like to use leverage, and during liquidation, the whole account, okay, their whole account, the capital been burned. Right? That's what happened during liquidations. So right now we took the bottom one, we are about to take the higher one, and I'm going to show you guys what happened right now. So as you guys can see, the price got rejected in the weekly time frame, got rejected from the top, and everybody is shorting the Bitcoin right now. Okay, you know why? Because it looks, okay, just like a support and resistance. Look at that. The price been rejecting the top for a while right now. It keeps on rejecting, and it forms up a lot of liquidity. A lot of people opening millions and millions of shorts right now, and they're shorting the market. And we already know what's going to happen in November. We have an elections in November, 5th of November, the start of November. And you guys can know, okay, every Q4, right, during the halving years, Bitcoin halving Q4, where all the price, right, it's going to be positive, but we have a negative because, okay, because we want to trap all the shorts. Okay, there's so many people shorting the market right now. And but November, we all know November is gonna be green. Why? Why green? And if you think about it, okay, because no matter it's Kamala or Donald Trump's gonna win, there's gonna be so much money printing. Okay, US gonna print a lot of money, like a lot of liquidity will comes into the market, and where will all this money goes to? Okay, in the stock market, okay, or in crypto, okay, doesn't matter. Okay, it's gonna go somewhere. Okay, it doesn't matter who wins. Okay, when the president comes in, they want a steady economy, right? They want to make their people happy. That's why they keep on printing money. Okay, that's what's gonna happen. But if you already know, we're gonna have a CME, right? CME over here we have gonna rate cards, and there will be no rate cards this coming November. Why we do know? Why we do know? But Sean said there's no rate card. It gives us some kind of understanding of what's happening in the market. Okay, if no rate cards, okay, no rate cards means what? It means we're nowhere near to recessions. I see a lot of people saying it's gonna be a recession, it's gonna be recessions. They've been calling recessions for months. Okay, they've been calling it at March, calling it at June, July, August. They've been calling it every time Bitcoin price starts to drop. Okay, but if we see the data, okay, CPI, right, is still maintaining, right? The dollar index is gaining higher and higher. Okay, it's obviously it needs to come down for the Bitcoin price to goes down, and in order to do that, there need to be a rate cut, and there will be no rate cut in this coming November, but December we're gonna have rate cuts, right? 82% of a quarter rate cuts. Look at this here. Okay, it's gonna be start of a quantitative easing at December. Okay, Q4, that's what we call Q4 is always green. Okay, it's always green. And then as I said, okay, if you were to look at unemployment rates, right, it's still not that high to trigger recessions. That's why the Fed is not cutting any rate cuts. So the economy is still doing okay. Okay, so when there's a president, doesn't matter, Donald Trump, Kamala, money's gonna be start printing. But you guys already know, 100% Donald Trump's gonna win. Okay, that's gonna happen. What's gonna happen, guys, in the Bitcoin price right now? But if you were to look at an hourly time frame, okay, if right, it's a very good thing for the Bitcoin price to goes down because because if the price would goes to all-time high before the elections, I would expect I would expect a drawdown first, but then it have a healthy retracement right now. Okay, it have a healthy retracement because there's a lot of people longing, right? They see this beautiful curve up. Everybody is leveraging long, right? Everybody is leveraging long here, as you guys can see. When it goes down, it kills all of them, right? It liquidate all the account, right? And where are we going next, guys? Okay, we are going to the higher ups. Okay, all the liquidation is over here, guys. So many bears, if you guys don't know that. So many bears out there. Millions and millions of people are shorting right now because they are just trading on. Right? If you guys don't know, they're just trading on. Okay, support and resistance. And all-time high is a very huge resistance. And if we were to break this resistance, right, during the elections or after the elections, okay, or at the CME, right, CME FOMC meetings, okay, then we're gonna go to the all-time high. When we reach there, there'll be a lot of news, okay, a lot of breaking news. Bitcoin at all-time high, Bitcoin all-time high, and hence you're gonna see a lot of retail money coming into the markets, and then we will go even higher. Okay, that's what always happen, guys. That's what always happen. When Bitcoin price always goes up, there'll be keep on showing up the news, breaking news, Bitcoin price, new higher high, new higher high, new higher high, new all-time high. And then when all the retails comes in, you guys already know the FOMO kicks in. Everybody could keep on buying and buying and buying, and the price will keeps on going higher and higher. That's the beauty of market psychology right here. So if you guys wants to learn about automations, okay, you can sign up. Link in the description below. Okay, why do you want to learn automation? Next video, I'm going to teach you guys how and why, right? How to do Excel back tests and how amazing it is to do automations. Okay, automation is stable and it takes away emotions, right? And if you haven't subscribed already, be subscribed to my channel. Also, get the latest news about Bitcoin. All right, I've been calling the Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin bull run, right? 3 weeks ago. And let's look at Bitcoin price 3 weeks ago. All right, let's look at that. So 3 weeks ago, we're still over here. And right now, we are already right over here until 74, and we have a healthy retracement. And if you look at this is the chance to buy cheap yet again. Okay, look at that. Beautiful staircase. This is what I like to call. Okay, we need to draw lines in order to know what are the retail money thinking. Okay, we need to draw lines. And if you draw all these trend lines right here, let me draw another one. Okay, look at this, guys. We are at the support region over here. And if you were to draw it, I don't know how to draw it, but retail money likes to draw whatever they want to see. Go to daily. Okay, look at that. Beautiful. We are now at a crucial support. That's where all the retail sees it. And the retail money comes in. Obviously, smart money comes in also, because you guys already know there's a lot of liquidation as I show you guys over here. Okay. And if you guys don't know, NVRVZ score. Okay. If you guys don't know, market top is not in yet. Okay. Just look at NVRVZ score. Okay. We are still away from 7, but usually the price goes to 7. That's overvalue. Pi cycle, but pi cycle top indicator, we are not at top yet, and there's so many people calling top right now. Okay, we are still far away. All right, I think that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. And I'm gonna explain to you guys how we can do Excel backtest, and then the next video we're gonna be how to make it algo, and obviously sign up to my free webinar where I teach you guys how to automate your trade. Okay, it's totally free. Okay, join right now. Sign up right now. I'll see you next week. Peace.